Okay, so here are the little critters that we've located so far, and then what I was going to show you is this guy is still, I want to show you an itty bitty newborn, but I haven't found one yet. But if you look on this leaf, you can see that this one is even smaller than the one on the other side. And they get even smaller than that when they hatch out of their egg. And there's some milk from the milkweed too that caterpillar is heading towards. But anyway, I wanted to show you how small they can get. And they get smaller than that too. If I find one, I will show you.